Hey, what's up everyone? My name is David.
What? Go on.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom and creative gifts that your loved ones will love. Okay, so a few Christmases ago, I decided that I didn't want to do what I always did, which was jump on Amazon or some website and get gifts for people that maybe they wouldn't even really have use for. I wanted to tailor gifts specifically to the recipient's interests, taste, preferences, which makes them more meaningful than generic gifts. Custom gifts also show that you put more thought and effort into the gift, which can make the recipient feel really appreciated and valued. So I made a bunch of gifts and they were a big hit. I'll focus on one in particular for the sake of example. My nephew at the time was learning his ABCs. He was also really big into superheroes. So I made him a superhero ABC board. So for every letter of the alphabet, it had a superhero whose name corresponded to that letter. For example, I was Iron Man. It was a great way to engage him to learn the alphabet while using something he already loved. In my case, I did this around holiday time, but you could really do this at any, special occasion or milestone. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, graduations. So let's get into the steps of making this kind of gift and how you can translate it to make something for your loved ones. Figuring out what to make. Consider the recipient's interests, hobbies, inside jokes that you have with them, things that you know they like. Think about their favorite things and come up with a theme. But the main idea here is that you really want to be as personal as possible. The more personal that idea that you put on the poster, the more sentiment the other person will feel when they receive the gift. For example, if they're music lovers, you could come up with a poster of their favorite artist or band, things like that. Let's say, for example, that their favorite artist is Bob Marley. We could use one of his quotes on a poster and give that as a gift. And now that we know what our gift is going to be, let's look at how to make it. Create the design. I've been practicing graphic design for over a decade. So when I made my nephew's poster, I used things like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator. But now we have straightforward design tools like Canva, which is so simple that anyone can use it without having any design experience whatsoever at all. So let's do that. I'll head over to canva.com and sign up for free, which we love. I'll search for posters and you'll see a ton of their ready to edit templates pop up. Select one with an aesthetic that you think the gift recipient would really love. And then let's add our quote. If you want to, you can also get creative and shift some things around. We could add images. I like to go to unsplash.com for this because it provides high quality free images. Once you've made all your changes, we can export the image in a high resolution file. Printing the poster. Now that we have our file, we can either print it on our home printer if you have one, or if it's on the larger side, you could take it to a local print shop or somewhere that does on-demand printing. And finally, put your print in a nice frame to create a lasting gift that your loved one will enjoy for years to come. Woohoo! What's great about this method, other than it being really easy to do, is that you don't have to stick to just posters. You could make t-shirts, coasters, mugs, hats, really anything you can think of that your product can be printed on, it can be accomplished. Most importantly, remember to have fun while you're doing it and let your creativity spark up as you make custom gifts for your loved ones. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.